everyone, and welcome back to Brainware News. After an eventful July filled with milestones and achievements, we are here again with the August edition, bringing you the proudest moments, latest updates, and vibrant highlights from the largest private university in West Bengal, Brainware University. Let's dive right in and pick up where we left off. At Brainware University, innovation and entrepreneurship are always nurtured. A shining example is giftyour.in, a unique e-commerce platform developed by our BBA digital marketing students, designed to empower local sellers by giving them a digital marketplace. The platform was officially launched in the presence of our Honorable Chancellor Phalguni Mukhopadhyay, who inspired the young innovators with his words of wisdom. Now, let's directly hear from the brilliant team behind giftyour.in.
I am Shrutirthanath, a student of digital marketing from Brainware University.
I am Ankita Viswas, a student of Brainware University, pursuing digital marketing.
My name is Pallavi Das and I am the mentor of this project.
I am working as a digital marketing manager in giftyour.in. I have done all the product listings in this website.
As a part of my course, I am working on a live project named giftyour.in.
Coming up next, as a part of Anti-Rugging Awareness Week, the NSS unit of Brainware University took a strong stand by organizing an awareness rally across campus. Adding to the impact, students staged a powerful and vibrant Nukkar Natak, spreading the message against ragging in a creative way. Our seniors are rising the bar high with placement offers from top-notch companies. With 1,200 plus placements and still counting this year, our Brainware placement train shows no sign of slowing down. It gives us immense pleasure to announce that our students have been placed in various prestigious organizations like Devanika Hospital, Fortis Hospital, TCS, Okaya Infocom, and others. Now it is time to hear from one of the proud students of Brainware University who shares the inside story of how it feels like to bag a coveted placement at Cognizant.
আমি সিঞ্জিনী মিত্র, আমি ব্রেনওয়্যার ইউনিভার্সিটিতে বিসিএ ফাইনাল ইয়ার স্টুডেন্ট। এখান থেকে আমাদের প্রচুর প্লেসমেন্ট ড্রাইভে অপরচুনিটি দেওয়া হয়েছিল এবং তার মধ্যে থেকে আমি দুটো এমএনসি কোম্পানিতে পেয়েছি, টিসিএস এবং কগনিজেন্ট। তার মধ্যে থেকে আমি কগনিজেন্টে কন্টিনিউ করব কারণ আমার মনে হয়েছে তাতে আমি বেশি অপরচুনিটি পাবো। প্লেসমেন্ট সেল থেকে আমাকে প্রচুর সাহায্য করেছেন আমাদের ফ্যাকাল্টিসরা বিভিন্ন রকম সফট স্কিল ক্লাস এবং টেকনিক্যাল গ্রুমিং ক্লাস দিয়ে ওনারা আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করেছেন এবং তার জন্য আমি ব্রেনওয়্যার ইউনিভার্সিটি এবং ফ্যাকাল্টিসদের কাছে অনেক কৃতজ্ঞ।
In its commitment to social welfare, Brainware University has launched Higher Studies Exploration Tour, welcoming students from schools across West Bengal to its campus for lab visits and career seminars, opening doors to future opportunities. Let us hear what the students and the faculty members from these schools have to say.
আজকে আমাদের এখানে নিয়ে আসা হয়েছিল একটা কেরিয়ার সেমিনার প্লাস আমাদের ক্লাস 12-এর পর আমরা ঠিক কী নিয়ে পড়তে পারবো, যেটা নিয়ে আমাদের ভবিষ্যৎ বা ফিউচার কী রকম হবে সেটা আমরা বুঝতে পারলাম।
আমার নাম ভূমিকা ভৌমিক, আমি সুরেনচন্দ্র মডার্ন স্কুল থেকে এসেছি। এখানে এসে ব্রেনওয়্যার ইউনিভার্সিটির ক্যাম্পাস আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে।
Ritika Datta. I came from St. Xavier's High School. I got a presentation on AI and data science, which was wonderful. I got a lot of new information.
My name is Chandni Kumari Saw. I am from DICB Public High School.
मेरा नाम प्रियंका यादव है।
আমার এখানে অনেক ভালো লেগেছে, প্লাস এখানের ক্যাম্পাস অনেক ভালো।
मेरा फ्यूचर में लॉयर बनने का इच्छा है। इस कॉलेज का एनवायरनमेंट मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। कोशिश करेंगे कि इस कॉलेज में आके अपना फ्यूचर बेटर कर सकें।
This Independence Day, Brainware University resonated with the colors of freedom and the spirit of unity, as carried the essence of patriotism into the community, spreading joy and togetherness in the neighborhood with Har Ghar Tiranga. In a unique creative initiative, multimedia and journalism students of Brainware University explored the heritage lanes of Chandanagar on World Photography Day, where their cameras transformed insight into stories. From the solemn crucifixion to the goddess behind iron bars, each frame captured memory, faith, and echoes of heritage that still speaks.
This month's Hall of Fame begins with a proud achievement for Brainware University.
Dr. Sahabul Alam, Associate Professor of CSC, has been conferred the International Best Researcher Award in Wireless Sensor Networks at the prestigious Scopus Conclave 2025. International Research Congress, honored by the Honorable Education Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Anbil Mahesh Poyamozhi.
In yet another academic achievement, our research scholar Mohubani Dash
From the Department of Computational Sciences bagged 2 prestigious awards, including Innovation in Technology Award and Women in Research Excellence Award at the International Conference on Innovation in Engineering, Management, Science and Development.
The past month has been remarkable for Brainware University, with our student and faculty earning accolades in research and publications. Let's take a look at some of our standout contribution from our academic fraternity. In another major update from the campus life of Brainware University to national recognition in The Telegraph T2 edition.
Our media science and journalism talents are making their mark. Ananya Pakira, Shoishali Shaha, and Odrija Doloi have captured more than just moments. They have captured headlines. Their stunning photographs featured in a national daily prove that at Brainware, every frame is a story in the making.
The past month at Brainware University was buzzing with knowledge, ideas, and collaboration. From insightful seminars to impactful events, each initiative was aimed at bringing the industry closer to the academia. Let's take a look at the events that took place last month. A new era of learning has begun at Brainware University.
With the inauguration of the virtual laboratory under the Ministry of Education's Virtual Labs initiative.
In another important update, the Department of Cybersecurity came in collaboration with the Campus to Corporate Cell,
Hosted an engaging session with the Cybersecurity Cell of Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate, giving students a first-hand look at the challenges and heroes of the digital world.
In another major update, our university has turned into a hub of innovation in the Eureka Pitching Challenge.
Powered by CMRI and IIC. With bold ideas and brilliant pitches, our young innovators showcased game-changing concepts that impressed the judges and sparkled the spirit of entrepreneurship on campus.
Now it is time to hear it from the voices that really defines Brainware, our proud alumni. Sharing memories, experiences, and success stories, they reflect on their cherished journey with their beloved alma mater.
Hi everyone, I am Rishabh Sinha. I am from MCA Batch 2021.
Hello, I am Monusripal. I passed BSc Nursing on 2024 from Institute of Nursing, Brainware University.
Currently I am working in Ashland Edge as a test engineer. Everyone wants to get into a college which is good in placement. After the BCA, I was placed in 4 companies.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards my college that not only helped me become an outstanding nurse and provided me with the learnings, the teachings, and also instilled in me the confidence, the courage that I need to become a nurse.
At the end of the day, I decided not to go in any other college because I was very much known with the infrastructure and the faculty of Brainware University. So what is the key thing that makes Brainware University stand aside from all the universities in Kolkata or in any other places is their curricular is very much job oriented. They create a interview kind of situation, and gradually if you do the boot camp in a quick succession, you will convert your weaknesses into your strength.
We had on-campus recruitment from Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, which is one of the most well-known hospitals in our country. I'm quite sure that every one of my batchmates will continue the values that are taught here in Brainware University, and I'm sure each one of us will make our alma mater proud.
As we sign off, here's wishing everyone a very happy puja and the festive season filled with happiness, togetherness, and new beginnings. Stay safe, stay blessed, and keep celebrating the spirit of the season.